In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up rate limiting in Cloudflare. By the end, you'll have a clear, reliable way to throttle abusive traffic and protect critical endpoints like logins and APIs without slowing down legitimate users. First, head to dash.cloudflare.com and log in. From your dashboard, select the domain you want to protect. Everything we configure today will apply only to this domain, so make sure you've picked the right one. In the left sidebar, go to Security, then open Security Rules. Click Create Rule to start building your protection. When the modal opens, choose Rate Limiting Rule as the rule type. Give the rule a clear, descriptive name, such as Protect Login Endpoint, so it's easy to find and maintain later, especially if you add more rules over time. Next, define the traffic you want to match. In request URL or path, enter the exact path or pattern you want to protect, for example, login or API. If the endpoint only accepts certain methods, narrow it with request method to post or get to reduce noise. For client identifier, use IP address so each client IP is counted separately. That's the most common and effective choice for stopping bursts from a single source. If you need extra precision, you can add conditions or expressions, like matching a specific country or host name to fine-tune what gets evaluated. Now set the rate limit itself. Choose the maximum number of requests allowed and the period in seconds for the window. Sensitive endpoints typically get tighter thresholds, while busy APIs may need higher limits. If you're unsure, start conservatively and plan to adjust after observing real traffic. Decide what happens when the threshold is exceeded. Block will deny further requests outright. Challenge presents a CAPTCHA or JavaScript challenge that legitimate users can pass, but most automated traffic cannot. Log simply records matches without taking action, which is excellent for testing and verifying that your limits catch the right traffic before you go live with enforcement. Set the mitigation duration to control how long Cloudflare should block or challenge once a client crosses the limit, such as 10 minutes. Shorter durations reduce friction for legitimate users who make brief spikes. Longer durations help deter sustained abuse. Finally, review your settings and click Save or Deploy rule. Once deployed, the rule starts evaluating traffic immediately. Keep an eye on logs and adjust thresholds as needed. Use specific paths so you don't unintentionally rate limit static assets, and validate in log mode before switching to challenge or block. With that, your domain now has a smart, targeted guardrail against excessive requests.